Loom Network, we made 120% profit. I shared this trade at the private list on October 7. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 15 cents and we put a sell order up here at 35 cents. 125% profit. Okay? This is the picture I share in the private list. Before the pump, when they shared this trade at the private list on October 7, the price was right here. How I found this coin? Do I have a crystal ball? No, I don't have a crystal ball. I track volume. Take a look at this. Loom Network. Go to CoinGecko. October 4. The volume of this coin was $326,000. 6 hours later, the volume of this coin was almost $1 million. That's what I'm talking about. Before the pump, there is a pre-pump volume. Okay? Another coin I share in the private list this week. Take a look at this. One. Exactly the same thing. I shared this trade in the private list on October 12. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 0.0008 and we put a sell order up here 0.002. 145% profit. How I found this coin? Exactly the same strategy, guys. One. Take a look at this. October 11. The volume of this coin was $42 million. Before the pump, volume was $72 million. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, when you track the volume, we track the trend. All we do in this channel is track the volume. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Take a look at the trades I share in the private list this week. We trade Loom Network, the QWAN, WAM, BarnBridge, ArbDoge. Overall today, 545% profit. Beat me if you can. Nobody can do the trades I do because we track volume. I share all my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. This is the software. I don't sell the software. I don't rent the software. Please tell the new members I will never sell the software. All I gotta do is share my trades in the private list. You have to follow my trades. If you follow my trades, you're gonna have the same strategy, the same profits I do. Okay. Also, we can trade for you. If you don't like to trade, I can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. I'm gonna use your money to set up trades. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell the main cryptos, Bitcoin. You see the main cryptos here? They all have the same 7-day charts because they all follow Bitcoin. They have no volumes going on here. Take a look at the volume calculation here. You see the coins we trade, they're all going up. Why they're all going up? I just said because we track the volume. Take a look at those candles right here. That's no joke. $41 million jump to $72 million. Another pump here. Before the pump, $318 million pump to almost $1 million. That's what I'm talking about. With this software, I track the entire market. I share my trades in the private list. You're welcome to join us. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime at gmail.com. I'm gonna continue navigating here on this video to show how many coins I've been tracking. Take a look. I use a scalp trade up. This is for fast trades. Okay. This is a day trade up. All those trades I share in the private list. Take a look how many. My software right now is tracking 3,000 coins, guys. 3,000 coins. I am dominating this crypto market. Nobody can have a better trades than me. Take a look at the swing trade up. Tradecryptotime at gmail.com. God bless you. Bye-bye.